Those we love never truly leave us. There are things that death cannot touch. Jack Thorne. According to the UDG, alcohol causes the death of 3 out of 10 car accident victims. Don't drive when you drink. Don't drink and drive. It's bad for you. Think about it. Press the button to start. Don't drink and drive. October 31st, 1982. Where am I? What happened? I can't recall what happened. Why is my memory so lost? I don't remember. Sir, can you explain what happened? Sure, let me take you back when it all started. I call my hell the sound of wind. You know when I wanna feel like? When you feel trapped inside and there's nowhere to go. When you're hurting. No one there to love. When everything comes crashing down. This is what it feels like in my world. You will live my world and see it, and you shall know pain. You shall know what I went through. Here we go. It all started here, 12 months ago.
Hello? So why are you a call?
I must look for him.
Alex, you must understand that he is no longer with us.
Trapped. Dedicated. He's paying the price for this.
Listen to yourself. You're paranoid. Where the heck are you?
I'm on my way.
Alex, don't go. Please.
There was somebody there, by the way. Right here. You went out looking for your friend. Adventure? Wait, what? I'm confused. It sounded like the Xbox thing. You know when you get an achievement on the Xbox? That's what it sounded like when I got the achievement. That's weird, right? That's kind of cool though. It reminded me of the 360. I'm lost. I should ask about directions. Yo, Mr. Clerk. Nice place. Where am I right now? Where am I right now? Ask for direction to your destination. Ask about his day. Leave. How's your day? None of your business. Okay. Oh, cabin, don't waste my time. There's nothing. Alright. Wow, what a rude bit. Thanks for nothing, asshole. A-hole. Can I punch him, dude? I wanna What the heck? Wait, where the hell did he go, man? Everything turned all suicidal, bro. What the hell? Remember what happened 12 months ago. You need to remember. No, please. I don't want to remember. Please leave me alone. Don't want to remember. Please don't make me. Don't want to remember, please. Must be trapped there. Avoid the creatures and reach the cabin. God damn it! How the hell are you gonna... Bro, they're fast. You can't. Aren't I running? You can't avoid them, bro. God damn. What the hell? Ow. Ow. Where the hell is the cabin, dude? I thought it was here. Get to the cabin. Wow. Go to the cabin quick. Quick. Let's do a quickie. I love quickies. Anders, are you there? Anders. There's nobody here. This is pathetic. I don't feel good. Anders! Where am I? This can't be good. I have to get out of here, quick. Oh, hell. This is the back rooms. The back rooms. Oh, please, God. Anywhere but here. No. I hate the back rooms. I don't like the back rooms. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I'm dead. He's right here. Oh, crap. Can I juke him? Nope. Can't juke him, bro. Where the hell do you go? The damn exit. Finally, an exit. Where? I don't see an exit, bro. Here? Alright. Yay, we did it. The Night of the Dead. Did we do it? Cool. Oh, we're still going, alright. There's a gun in the cabinet. Gotta get it. There's no ammo though. What am I supposed to do? Piss him to death? Do I pee on him? Oh shit! Okay. Damn! Ooh, that actually got me, bro. That actually got me, bro. That actually got me, bro. Bro. That actually got me. Ooh, I need to calm down. I need to calm down. Alright. Missing. You have information. Please contact phone number. Bad ending. Wait, what? What? Wait, I'm confused. Hello? You went looking for your friend. Bad ending. So, if you don't look... Hold on. If you don't look for your friend, you don't get a bad ending? Well, that doesn't freaking make any sense at all, dude. Press load button. Where's the stupid load button? What is the load button? I can't see my mouse, man. Where's my stupid mouse? Alright, there we go. I don't know, it's like glitched or something. I couldn't see my mouse. Good day to die. Good day to die. Can I skip this? I thought I skipped it, man. Damn. So what happens if you don't look for your friend? Like, maybe you get a different ending? Maybe that was the bad ending. I don't know. I guess you went missing. I thought I killed that bastard, though. So I don't know how the hell I went missing. Oh, I guess I went to the forest and... Oh, back rooms. Yeah, you're right. Back rooms. It all started 12 months ago. When I went looking for my friend and I was lost completely. I didn't know where I am, but... I was trying so hard to remember. It all started with my hell. And my hell's called The Sound of Wind. I'm a voice actor. It all started 12 months ago. It was dark, a gloomy day. It was really windy. Tornado was blowing in. The storm was on the rise. When suddenly, I hear a call from a friend. And all of a sudden, this happened. There was somebody watching us. Somebody from the depth of the shadows. It lingers. It lurks. It hungers.
Hello? So why are you call?
I must go look for him. It's him.
Alex, you must understand that he is no longer with us.
Government or something is hiding something. I need to find it. I'm going.
Listen to yourself. You're paranoid. Where the heck are you?
I'm leaving.
Alex, don't go. Please.
If I had to pick my favorite movies, it would definitely be The Night of the Death. You mean dead. And The Backrooms. it would be a dream to live in those universes. Nope. I don't think so. "12 months ago, I lost my memory. I don't know what happened. All I know is that Anders disappeared. I still keep in touch with Sophia. She always tells me not to go looking for him. But sure, he's trapped in that cabin, and I must go." What the hell is that noise? So what do I do now? Do I still look for him? Maybe not go to the cabin? Is there another way to go? I'm confused. Okay, something is happening. I don't know what the hell it is though. Alright. Oh, it won't let me go here. Why? I used to be great friend with Anders. But 12 months ago, something happened. He went on vacation. Could the government have captured him? There's definitely must be an explanation. I can't go here. Why? Why can't I go to the kitchen, bro? Damn. This doesn't make any damn sense. So what do I do? If this is like... Do I still go out looking for him? Huh. I'm guessing? I don't know. There's nothing to do in here though. I don't know how to get the other ending. Huh. That's weird, right? Huh. I don't get it. I have no idea. I'm confused. Happy Halloween, guys. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can have a seat. No problem. I'm lost. I should ask for directions. Talk to the clerk. What if I don't want to? Damn. Return to the truck. What if I don't want to return to the truck, asshole? I don't know, I think that's Spanish. I have no idea. What does that say? Remember what happened 12 months ago. I don't get it. How do you get the good ending? Do I have to find all the notes, maybe? Is that what it is? I don't know, I'm confused. Huh. I can't leave, so that sucks. You died. Missing. You have information, please call. Yeah, that's a different ending. That's kind of stupid though. So I don't know what the good ending is, but I'm just gonna, I don't know if you don't go there, you just escape maybe? You go to the back rooms and you find your way out? When you pick up a gun? Or you kill, maybe you kill the, wait, you kill the monster maybe. Oh, maybe, right? The other monster, I don't know. I'm guessing? I'm not sure. I'm confused, man. I don't know. What's up, bastard? You suck balls. Yeah, I don't know, man. This is kind of a pickle for me to pickle for me to pickle, bro. I didn't know you could jump though. It's cool. This shift sucks, ball. No, seriously, it sucks balls. You can't even run, dude. Look at. Doesn't make any sense. Andrews must be trapped here. Oh my god, I need to rescue Anders. So stupid. Anders dead, dude. Can you go? Oh my god, is he even running? Anders, are you there? Please answer me, Anders. I really need you. There's nobody here. Oh my god, I don't feel so good. Press E to interact with doors or NPCs. Don't forget, subscribe and like. Don't forget to taste my Where am I right now, bro? I have to get out of here. No, anything but the back room. So I have to find my way back out. I forgot, man. Damn. So is it... Dude, he's still hurting me while this is happening. Are you serious? Wow, bro. Like, are you for real? Okay, this is where the exit is. I remember. Finally, an exit. Then freaking go, dude. Damn. The Night of the Dead, bro. Night of my Night of a Night of a We need the gun. Quick. He's gonna come out and play, bro. He's gonna start coming out and we have to kill him, man. You ready? I'm going back. Oh, I can't go back. What the hell? Oh, shit. Alright. Can I go back now? What the hell? So I don't know what the hell, what are you supposed to do? You collected the memory. Okay, I don't want to go through here because that's like basically death, right? But I can't go back either. So what do you do now? I'm confused. Wait, what the? Oh, that's ammo. Whoops. Dude, what do you do now? Like, if I go through here, I'd be missing. Why? Like, right here. Like, last time I went through here, he said missing, right? And I can't go back, so I don't know what the good ending is, to be honest. I have no idea. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I tried my best. Like, I played it, like, what, 3 times now? Damn it. Maybe you have to find all the memories? Yeah, this is weird. I don't know. Something to do with this, maybe? The memory, maybe? You find the memory? Yeah, this is the end, basically. If you go in here, there's nothing. I think it just ends. So what do you do? What the hell? That's weird, right? Yeah, man, I have no idea. Like, there's no secret passage, is there? Oh, well. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. Tell your friends. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.